Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kaya. For those of you that are new, today we're installing this unit from Nadula hair. Let's get started.
You can't be replaced. So no one else can do. That's why I'm spend my life with you.
Comes from Nadula hair. Here is their packaging. They also sent over a robe that I'm very excited to wear for today's install. If you know me, you know I am a huge robe gal. So I'm loving this champagne color, and it has this little staple of a logo, Nadula. How cute. So I'm going to put this on. To install the wig. Inside of the packaging, oh, Nadula, how did you know? I'm a big press-on nail galley. So they put on some really cute, by the way, press-on nails that I would definitely be putting on very soon. And then we have a wig cap, an elastic band to help melt our wig in place. And we have another little bag of goodies. More wig caps, you can never have enough of those. Another elastic band to melt our wig down into place. I don't know what this is. Oh, it's a brush. That's actually, oh, and it's soft. There's a brush in there. That's cool, and I like how it see how it gets bigger, and you just pull it up and then put the top back on. That's cute. Some 3D lashes. Then when you decide to take your wig off, they give you a nice silk Nadula baggie to put your wig in. And the star of the show that I'm sure you guys are all ready to see is the wig. And yes, we have some nice little kinky edges over here. I did do just a little bit of plucking off camera. Try to get the camera to focus so you can see. And I bleached the knots too. I just wanted to add a little bit more space in there because it was really full. And this was very minimalistic plucking that I did. So have a nice little kinky texture wig. So let's get it installed. I think I am. Hopefully you guys can see me pretty well. So I like using these brown wig caps like for my everyday wear. So I'm just going to keep it on today. And no, I'm not doing bald cap method. I don't want to do that. This wig has an elastic band installed so you can make the wig fit a little more snug if you needed to. I am going to tint the lace on this one since it is just a little bit brighter than I like.
It's not that I don't want you here.
I've been sprayed today. This one is the Lace Melt Vitamin E. I don't know what the difference is because I actually have all three, but oh, this one's keratin, this one's vitamin E, and then this one's silk protein.
I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away from these beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you.
We're gonna use water, mousse, and this wig brush that you can't see if it's next to my head, but first we'll start off with damping the hair. I don't want it soaking wet, I just want it damp.
I think I need you here. I swear it's hard to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away from cheese beach views on an every day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. Around. I want you around.
Okay, here is the finished install, guys. What do you think? I'm loving it. Every single bit of it. I think it's very, very cute. It's giving very much so natural vibes. I feel like, I was about to say Shaka Khan, but I don't even know who to say. But I love this big hair vibe. I love the natural texture. It is completely natural. Like, feels like this could be my hair. I love the kinky curly natural baby hairs too. I feel like it gives it more of a realistic look. Being styled this way, I just kind of left them like they were and just put a little bit mousse on it, brushed it out, combed it out. I didn't really like configure them to go in a specific direction. I kind of just wanted them there, and I like how it looks. I added water and mousse to the hair, just kind of swooshed it up a little bit to just kind of make it look lively, and this is our finished look. No shedding, a little bit of tangling, but you know, you just brush that out. Nice and full, big head friendly. You got the elastic band in there to get it fitting how you need it to fit, and that's pretty much that, y'all. Let me know what you think about it. Leave me a rating in the comments, 1 through 10, 10 being the best. What do you guys think? Thank you to Nadula Hair for sending this unit over. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, y'all.